Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can create FTP server using FileZilla on your Windows PC and access the folders on your PC from mobile phone or other computers that are on the same network. So let's get started. Now let's download the FileZilla app. So first of all, let's search for FileZilla. Okay, enter the first link. So you will see two options. First one is FileZilla client and second one is FileZilla server. We will need both of them, but for now we will just download this one, FileZilla client. We will not download this one because it creates some issues, and instead of this one we will get XAMPP. I already have this one downloaded and installed, and you will have to do the same. And after installing this one, you need to download XAMPP. Go to this link, and on Windows click on this download button. It will start downloading and you will have to install it using the default settings, and then it looks like this when you install and open it for the first time. And you will just need this one for creating the FTP. When you download and install both of them, open the FileZilla client. You will see this one. Open it. See, it will show your all the folders of your PC like this. Okay, I will come back to it later. So after you install XAMPP, you will have to start the FileZilla service. Okay, click on start and it will start like this. Then you will need to click on admin here, and you will need to set a password, anything you want, just for this server. Okay, I will go with this and a password and click on OK. You can check mark this, but I'm keeping it empty. See, the server is connected. Now you will have to set up the server. Click here and click on users. Right now no users are there, so let's add a user. I will add my name of the username. Okay. Then I will set a password to access this server, FTP server. You can add any password. Remember, this password can be different from the password you set for the server at the beginning. So, okay, the password is set. Now here you will add the folder you want as your home directory when you will enter the FTP server. You can add any folder or even an entire drive, like this drive. You can add an entire drive. So if you add this one, when you enter the FTP server, all the contents inside this drive will be there. But if you want to add all three drives, you will have to set up it a bit differently. So I will show you just that. For that, okay, let's create a home directory for our FTP server. Let's name it FTP. Okay, so this will be our home directory for the FTP server, and let's add that folder. Okay, it's inside. Okay, see, This H means this is your home directory. And as permission, I have set only read only permission. If you add write, then the anyone accessing the FTP server can add files or folders inside that FTP server. Or if you add delete permission, then they can delete files or folders. So I will just add the read permission. Now if I click OK, then the server is created, and as you know that the FTP folder is empty, anyone accessing that server will see an empty folder, like an empty directory. There is nothing there. So now let's start the server from here. As host, you will have to go to your network settings, network properties, and see your local IP address. For me, this is this one. This will be the IP address of the PC that you are willing to use as FTP server. So okay, let's copy this one and put it as the host. And username, remember when you started the server, I set my name as the username, and I set a password that was the initial password, and the port was 21. This is the port for FTP servers, and let's quick connect. Okay, the server connection is successful. So if you check that from your phone like this, you can use any file manager that supports network connection. I'm using CX File Explorer. You can use any other. So click on new connection from here, click remote and FTP, and use the credentials here. So the host was 192, 168, 157. Okay, the port is 21. I think this is not secure, so I will just wrong. Okay, it's not secure. Username is Shogun and password is okay. This is the password for my temporary server. Okay. Now click OK. See, I'm inside the FTP folder, but the folder is empty. Let's add a file inside that. See if it really works. Let's copy this one and put it inside this and reload the mobile app. See, it's there. Okay, I cannot delete this one because I don't have the permission. Okay, let's delete it from my PC. Okay, so it's gone. Okay, so now if you want to add all your drives inside the home directory, then there is another way to add it, and I will show you how. Okay, so not this one. Let's go to the user again and shared folders. See, this is only the home directory. Now we will be adding the other drives from add, and let's start with C. We have added C, but the FTP server, using the FTP server, you cannot directly access C drive, but you can add it. You can access the drive using an alias. For that, Right click on the drive you just added and click edit alias, and you have to add the home directory first and then add any name. You can add C or C drive or anything. I will go with C drive. So this is the alias for C directory. Similarly, you can add other drives, and I will be adding this D drive here. D drive and E drive. Now these three names will appear inside the FTP folder when you check it from other PC or your mobile phone. This is the way to add directories, all the directories in your FTP server. These are added. Now click OK. Now let's see from the phone if we can see the drive. See, all are there. Let's play a video. Which one? Okay. Let's check the sniper replay. Working as expected. So okay, you will be able to see all the log here. So this is how you can create an FTP server on your PC and share the files with other devices that are connected in the same network. Okay, so I think that's it. If you face any issues or difficulties, let me know in the comment section.